Do you know what foods are making you gain weight? We've all heard that phrase, you are what you eat. But have you ever really stopped to think about it? It's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. The foods we consume have a profound impact on our bodies, and not all calories are created equal. Some can fuel our bodies with energy and nutrients, while others can lead to weight gain and health issues. In today's discussion, we're going to explore the connection between certain types of foods and weight gain. Yes, you heard it right. There are specific food items that could be silently contributing to those extra pounds, that belly fat, and those stubborn love handles. And it's not just about the quantity, it's the quality of the food that matters too. But first, let's take a moment to understand why this is important. Obesity is a growing global health concern. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and living a healthy life. Carrying extra weight can lead to a host of health issues, from heart disease to diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Now, let's unveil the culprits. We have identified 15 common food items that could be secretly sabotaging your weight loss efforts. These are everyday foods, items you might not even think twice about, but they could be contributing to weight gain and health problems. We're going to go through them one by one, explaining why they can cause weight gain and offering healthier alternatives. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making informed choices. And remember, knowledge is power. From sugar to processed foods, trans fats to white bread, and sugary drinks to chips and cookies, we will expose them all. Even some foods that are marketed as healthy, like full-fat dairy and low-fat foods, can sometimes do more harm than good. So, get ready for a journey of discovery as we delve into the world of food and nutrition. Stay tuned as we delve into the first of the 15 foods that could be secretly sabotaging your weight loss efforts. First on our list is the sweet deception, sugar. Often hidden in our favorite treats, excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain and a myriad of health issues. Imagine this: a single can of soda contains around 10 teaspoons of sugar. That's more than the daily recommended amount for an adult. Even seemingly healthy foods like granola bars, yogurt, and fruit juice can be loaded with sugar. So the next time you reach for that sugary snack, think twice. Next up, the hidden enemy, processed foods. These seemingly innocent products lining the shelves of our supermarkets are often packed with unhealthy fats and sugars. They may offer convenience, saving us time in our busy lives, but this comes at a steep price. Regular consumption can lead to weight gain, expanding waistlines, and a host of other health problems. The allure of easy meals can be strong, but it's important to resist. Remember, convenience may be king, but not when it costs you your health. Now, let's talk about the fatty trap, trans fats. These artificial fats are found in many processed foods and can lead to increased bad cholesterol, decreased good cholesterol, and a higher risk of heart disease. They're a double-edged sword, not only contributing to weight gain, but also posing other significant health risks. Simply put, they're fats that your body doesn't need and can't use effectively. So, they end up being stored as excess body fat. Avoiding trans fats can be a significant step towards a healthier you. Moving on to the carb overload, white bread. This pantry staple, while convenient and versatile, might be doing more harm than good. Despite its prevalence in many diets, white bread can contribute to weight gain. Its high glycemic index means it quickly raises blood sugar levels, leading your body to store more fat. And that's not all. This rapid spike and subsequent drop in blood sugar can also leave you feeling hungry faster. So consider switching to whole grains for a healthier alternative. Now let's discuss the liquid calories, sugary drinks. These sweet temptations, while quenching your thirst, can significantly contribute to weight gain. They're like invisible meal crashes, adding extra calories to your daily intake, but without bringing any nutritional benefits to the table. Imagine them as unwelcome guests at your body's health party. They gobble up your calorie budget, leaving little room for nutrient-rich foods. It's a deceptive balance where you feel satiated, but your body is left wanting. Remember, hydration doesn't mean sugary drinks. Opt for water instead. Next, we have the sneaky snacks, chips and cookies. They may be delicious, But these popular snacks can be a major culprit in weight gain. Often laden with unhealthy fats and sugars, these treats can pack on the pounds before you know it. They're also often low in nutrients and high in calories, leading to overeating. But don't lose heart. A simple shift to healthier snack options can have a monumental impact. Replacing these with healthier snack options can go a long way in your weight loss journey. Next on our list is the creamy culprit, full-fat dairy. The luscious taste and rich texture of full-fat dairy can be deceiving, masking its high calorie and fat content. Consuming these products in excess could easily contribute to weight gain and belly fat. However, fear not, dairy lovers. Simply switching to low-fat or non-fat dairy options can offer the same delicious taste with fewer calories. So, let's make this smart swap and help keep those extra pounds at bay. Now, let's talk about the hidden sugars, low-fat foods. It's a common misconception that low-fat means healthy. In reality, many low-fat foods are loaded with sugars to compensate for the flavor loss when fat is reduced. This added sugar can lead to weight gain, negating the perceived benefits of a low-fat diet. It's essential to read food labels to understand exactly what you're consuming, as the phrase low-fat can often be misleading. Reading labels can help you make better choices when it comes to low-fat foods. As we reach the end of our list, let's recap. We've navigated through a world of foods that may be contributing to unwanted weight gain, belly fat, and those pesky love handles. It's been quite a journey, and we've uncovered some surprising culprits. We've seen the sweet deception of sugar hiding in our everyday foods, making our taste buds dance but our waistlines expand. Then we dived into the realm of processed foods, those convenient and often delicious meals that are ready in a jiffy, but may be loaded with hidden calories and harmful additives. We've also explored the world of trans fats, those sneaky substances that can cause havoc on our health while we're none the wiser. We've uncovered the truth about white bread, a staple in many of our diets, but potentially a significant contributor to weight gain. And who could forget those sugary drinks, so refreshing and tasty, yet potentially leading us down a path of weight gain and health issues. We've also discussed the pitfalls of indulging in chips and cookies, those delectable snacks that can lead to overeating and weight gain. And we've shed light on full-fat dairy, a category of foods that, while often delicious, can add extra calories to our diets. Surprisingly, we also discovered that even low-fat foods can be misleading, often compensating for the lack of fat with extra sugar or other unhealthy ingredients. This journey has been an eye-opener, highlighting the importance of mindful eating and making healthier choices to manage weight. It's not about deprivation or drastic diet changes. It's about balance, moderation, and understanding what's on our plates or in our glasses. It's about making small, sustainable changes that can have a big impact over time. It's about choosing foods that nourish our bodies, give us energy, and help us feel our best. So as we conclude this journey, let's carry forward these insights into our daily lives. Let's be mindful of what we eat and drink, and let's make healthier choices one meal at a time. Remember, your health is in your hands. Choose wisely, eat mindfully, and stay active.